today's mini lemon bars, you need to have 1/4 cup of flour, 1 cup of softened butter, 1½ cups of sugar, another 2 cups of flour, another ½ cup of sugar, a lemon juicer, and of course, your lemons. The first step of making your lemon bars is preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Once that is done, grab a somewhat large bowl and add your cup of butter, two cups of flour, and ½ cup of sugar. Once those are in the bowl, you want to mix your ingredients till it's nice and thick like so. After that, you want to spread your mix on the bottom of your pan so it covers the whole pan. Once that is complete, your oven should be done preheating. Carefully place your pan into the oven for 15 minutes. While we wait for that to bake, let's make our filling. Begin with grabbing a bowl and adding your remaining sugar and flour. Then add your eggs and whisk your mix together until you get a thick, creamy filling. Place your bowl to the side and grab your lemons. Cut them up and juice them into your bowl like so. By then, your crust should be done, so you want to take your filling out and pour it all over the crust. Take your pan and put it back in the oven for 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Once the timer finishes, carefully take your pan out of the oven to cool for about another 20 minutes. After that, cut your bars into pieces and enjoy!